In this guide, you will learn how to get blue badge on TikTok. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Then navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right. Now navigate to the option account. Here you're gonna find the option of verification below the passkey. Click on that. Get verified to build trust and credibility. Now if you see the option of request verification, follow the on-screen instructions. You will be asked to provide information that helps TikTok verify your identity, such as official identification and details that demonstrate your public presence. After submitting your request, TikTok will review it and notify you of the result. If you don't see the verification option in your account settings, don't worry. Head back, navigate to the option Help Center. Click on the option Chat with Us. Now you can search for verification related help and access any available forms provided by TikTok. Complete the form carefully, including your username, contact information, and supporting documents requested. Keep in mind that TikTok verification is generally reserved for notable, authentic, active, and secure accounts, so submitting a request does not guarantee approval. Once your application is submitted, wait for TikTok's response and follow any additional instructions they provide. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.